Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 10th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir closed down 42 cents at 826. That's minus 4.84%. So let's look at this. Let's look at what happened here. So we were going sideways. We were going sideways for approximately a week. We had stochastic over 60. Everything was great. And now because of the CPI index, most likely the stock has been dropping, dropped today quite significantly. We almost lost stochastic, but we still have it a little bit. Let's go look at the 1 hour chart. So this is what happened right here. We opened at this level here, broke 843. Second hour was also down, and then we recovered a little bit, but this recovery has very little value of stochastics, so I don't believe this very much. So this might be going up to 843, but I am expecting it to go further down, and we can do this resistance right here. And this is what is going to guide us most likely for the next week. Let's go back to the daily chart. So as I said, stochastic still above 60 at 61. Nothing has changed in terms of the indicators. They just got worse. They all got worse because of this big move. So maybe we are going to be bouncing on 792. That's a possibility. What will happen next week will depend on how that news is getting processed. So if it's processed not too bad after this initial reaction today, if it's processed not too bad, then, we could be bouncing on 792. If it's processed a little bit worse, then we could keep continuing down and getting back to this downward support right here. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I want to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member, in which case we are going to talk on Sunday. I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.